Hello everyone students. In our previous part what we have studied? We have studied about the which natural indicator? About the litmus. We have studied about the litmus. Okay. What we have studied about the litmus? Litmus shows which color changes in acid and base. Litmus shows the red color in acid and blue color in base. Okay. So today now we will see which color we will see which indicator. Today we will see the different natural indicator, that is turmeric. आज हम एक न्यू नेचुरल इंडिकेटर पढ़ने वाले हैं. कौन सा? टर्मरिक इंडिकेटर. ओके. But turmeric papers are not directly available in market. So what you can do? You can make your own turmeric paper also. How we can make that? What you have to do, we have to just add some water in the turmeric powder and we can make the paste of that. After that we can apply that paste on paper and we can let it dry. After drying, what we can do, we can cut that into the thin strips. Okay, just like litmus strips जो available होती है, we can cut according to that. The turmeric paper strips we can cut that. Okay, now our turmeric strips are ready. Now for finding out the for testing the this turmeric paper on the acidic and on basic solution. So what we can do here, one table 5.3 is given. We will see that table. Okay, today let us start the test of our turmeric paper. Okay, now the table 5.3 is given. For this we have to see this table 5.3. What are the different test solutions are given here? The first solution is given lemon juice. Lemon juice means which, it is a which acid or base? It's a acidic solution. Okay, orange juice, again it's acidic solution. Now we have to find out whether it is acid or base. Okay, so how we can find out it is acid or base? So first the important thing that I want to tell you, that turmeric paper, it shows in acidic media, it does not show any kind of change. मीन्स टर्मरिक पेपर जो होता है वो एसिड में कोई सा भी चेंज शो नहीं करता, बट इन बेस इट गिव्स विच कलर? इट शोज द रेड कलर. ओके, अंडरस्टूड व्हाट? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. टर्मरिक पेपर जो होते हैं वो एसिड मीडिया में कोई भी इफेक्ट, कोई भी चेंज नहीं शो करता. मीन्स इन एसिडिक मीडियम टर्मरिक पेपर विल नॉट शोज एनी काइंड ऑफ चेंज, बट इफ यू विल फाइंड इन द बेसिक सॉल्यूशन इट विल टर्न्स इनटू रेड कलर. Okay, so now if we the table 5.3, there are 8 different solutions are given. If we will perform the test of turmeric solution on in this different test solution, so we can find out that solution is whether it is acidic or whether it is a basic. First one is lemon juice. Okay, lemon juice, if you will see the effect of turmeric solution ऑन दैट लेमन जूस, मीन्स आप जब अगर उस पेपर को ऐड करोगे लेमन जूस में, सो यू विल फाइंड नो इफेक्ट ऑन दैट टर्मरिक पेपर. दैट मीन्स योर सॉल्यूशन इज एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन. ओके, अगर आपके टर्मरिक पेपर पे कोई चेंज नहीं आया, इट मीन्स वो सॉल्यूशन कौन सा है? एसिडिक है. नाउ सेकेंड इज ऑरेंज जूस. अगेन इफ यू विल परफॉर्म द सेम थिंग, यू विल फाइंड नो इफेक्ट. इट मीन्स द रिमार्क इज acidic solution. Okay, same for vinegar also, you will find no effect on the turmeric solution, means it is again acidic solution. But in the milk of magnesia and in baking soda and in the lime water, in these 3 examples, 4th, 5th and 6th, in these 3 examples you will find that your turmeric paper will turns into red. When you will add when you will dip this turmeric paper into this 3 solutions, means milk of magnesia, baking soda and lime water, when you will add the turmeric paper into these 3 solutions, your turmeric paper will change into, it will turns into red color. That means your all these 3 examples or these 3 solutions are basic solution. Understood? Now the 7th and 8th one. 7th is sugar. Sugar, again effect, no effect on this, it's a neutral. And common salt solution, if you will take it, again no effect on this, means it's a neutral. Okay, so did you understood what I have explained you? Table 5.3 you have cleared about that. Just like means litmus paper, the turmeric paper is also show the different color changes in acidic media and in basic media. Acid में कौन सा कलर शो करता है? No change, no any change. But in base it shows the red color. Okay. Now, before going to next topic, first you have to revise about the two different natural indicators. Till now, we have seen the two natural indicators. First one is we have seen litmus, and another one we have studied about a turmeric indicator. Okay, so student, what you have to do, you have to revise about the both indicators. Means you have to revise its color change दैट वी हैव सीन अर्लियर. हमने लिटमस पेपर के कलर चेंज देखे एसिड और बेस में क्या होते हैं. इन एसिड इट गिव्स रेड कलर, इन इट बेस इट गिव्स ब्लू कलर. एंड फॉर इन टर्मरिक पेपर वी हैव सीन द अगेन वी हैव सीन द टू डिफरेंट चेंजेस in acid and base. In acid it does not show any change, but in base it gives red color. So make the one table for you your understanding, and write down the different acidic and basic substances, and write down the color change for litmus paper and turmeric paper. Okay, then in our next part we will see the our further topics. Okay, understood? Thank you.